So you were removing and replacing the slide out topper fabric?
Yeah.
This is also your RV specialist. And I was messing with him and I figured I'd just do a little video. So now he got all quiet while he was talking to me. So hey everybody, again, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And we're working on the Grand Design Solitude. He is changing out the slide out topper. Him and Gino were just helping each other on it. And I was teasing them both and giving them a bad time saying, oh, best friends. Took a picture for memories, and here's a video of it. So they just slid on the new topper back in place after they replaced the material on it. And then you're checking the top of the roof and the slide out and all that for all the seams. And
Yes, and I scrub it since we have the only remote.
he threw the rest of the rubber material off of that roof back there that he's replacing.
It's not my topper.
No. All right, well, everybody, thanks so much for watching, and we're just doing a quick little video. This is kind of like an update.
Keep an eye on the stitches because this one it begins right on the center,
Yeah,
and they didn't notice until it was almost flying down the road.
so the stitches let loose on the material on the gimp molding. All right, well, yeah, make sure you're doing your slide out topper maintenance. If you haven't joined us in our Grand Design group, I think we're at almost 39,000 members, and we're posting a lot of like what we're doing and working on them, repairs, tools, products. Check out our photo album because I think we have about, I don't know, I have to go back and count, but I'm going to say at least 350 plus photos, albums in that field. So, and then each one has, you know, however many pictures are in there. So, but it's all there to try to help you guys, whether you're an owner, you're a DIY, or some of the repair shops that are following us, some of the other YouTubers that are following us, or some of the other dealerships that are following us as well. And then of course we think Grand Design, they follow us as well. So if you guys are seeing these pictures, posts and stuff, just know that it's there to help you. Everybody travels and uses these coaches a little bit different, whether it be roads, conditions, weather, different states and whatnot. So we're asking everybody to share all the information of things that go wrong with them so that we can see problems and so everybody can be aware of them, you know, past when they're out of warranty. So when it's like 2-year, 3-year, 4-year, 5-year, and so on, that you'll know what kind of maintenance needs to be done. These can be a reminder for you and for others, and just ways to prevent damage from happening. So, all right, well, thanks and have a great day. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.